guys, Rocks here.
I'm Nikki and she is
Eureka, and welcome to our world. This is our world. Yeah. It's like early in the morning and
we just wake up in the morning because
it's like
last night I tell her how many views I wish there's 100 or 1,000.
Well, we got 26 guys. I'm so excited. And it's like early in the morning. We're in the Philippines, like 6:48 a.m. Like, what the heck is that? Ah,
6.
I was like, what I So early in the morning, we use this. We love these.
Because last night we played Lego, right?
Yeah, and it's so cold.
And so cold. I just
Guys, this thing is broken.
mine too.
Oh my god! Like, look at this. It's the ball in there. The ball's gone. So, you know what? Every single video, I'm gonna make this. We're gonna make every single video. Wait, if we make a video, we have to make this coffee earphones. So today, she's like whispering. Oh, guys, gonna eat Cloud9, the rest of the Cloud9. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit.
I did not wear.
Yes, you weird, ain't it?
Last night, remember, I did not wear.
Yes, last night that was night, guys. We're so hungry. Like 2 more, 3 more, I think. Hey, stop. Okay, I'll put it in the thing. I mean, in the shelf. It's too early in the morning. I like the early snack. It's like early snack. I'm still wearing this because it's so early for us to wake up.
Wake up. It's
Sunday.
My kuya, it's for second. My mom. We are the third. Alan's for Logan's. My ate kuya, it's the fifth. And Logan is the last.
Yeah. I thought it was something. I thought it was like a creepy cockroach. It's a
Look at my sister.
This is her morning routine. This is what she looks like if she wake up early in the morning. Like
she will.
She's
crazy.
Always
grab.
She had a crazy hair.
She always grab her
little cardi. Can we eat now? I'm totally hungry.
Why did you not open it? I open.
Because I thought that you're not gonna open it. Yeah, that's so yummy. Let's mold it. This is what we do if you have no fun. Oh my god.
I already tried that. Now she's turn.
It's like I'm folding it and splatting it down and up and down. Guys, I messed up on the computer. What the heck? They're like so many things. We're using a computer because we don't have a camera. Yeah. I'm sorry about that. I can hear that, Nikki. Let's mold this up. Okay, I'm hungry. It's like slimy, like.
You're dirty. Look at inside.
In focus camera. I can't believe Cloud9 are very yummy. You're the one who invented Cloud9. Thank you. Again, sorry about the background over there, like toys. We did not clean last night. Like, look at this. There's like a car in there.
Toys.
Can you back off, Nikki? there is a bike inside. Some trash over there. Some trash over there. Is that trash? Okay. It's a wheel. And look at the background, like so many toys. There's two bikes. One is a red one and one is a tummy belly. Okay.
Okay.
Moving on to the next bike. Guys, actually I got my tooth lost. I got my teeth off last night. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys.
Where's your teeth?
Like literally, I'm gonna show you my teeth. It's on my Holly pocket.
Focus.
Shut up, Nikki. I won't focus if you do that. My teeth. No. Guys, look at yourselves. As you can see, we're using a computer. Like literally. If it doesn't show anything, we're sorry. Oh, you're moving, Nikki. Just don't. Here's the keyboard. And here's what we do.
Again.
No. That's the worst. Moving on to the next bite. I'm not done eating, okay? I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying. Ha ha. Oh yeah. Guys, subscribe to my another channel. It is your
Ricky and eureka.
subscribe to this channel.
The blindfold challenge.
Yeah, subscribe to that.
Bye.
And like, shut up now.
Wait.
No. A blindfold challenge. No. The
Crazy
blindfold
uncle.
makeup challenge. Close parenthesis. Crazy uncle. Stop it. These are the best. I can't hear anything in the background too.
Will you do that?
The music. The music is kind of scary.
A little. Bye.
No. Subscribe to my another channel. It's her Masa _ space eureka. So hope you did not spell it wrong. It was EUREKA. This is NIKKI. This is EUREKA.
Bye.
No, seriously. You know what I call this Cloud9? Come here. Come here. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye!
Goodbye to our world. Now you can enter another world. Just kidding.